Sorry, wrong place.
No, stay. I'm Cindy, the hair expert. Can ask me anything about it.
Why did you become a hair expert?
Well, my curiosity with hair is lifelong. I've always been interested in hair care and chemistry involved in the ways in which we can take care of our hair. 75% of women nowadays dye their hair. Thus, I think that the need for a hair expert like me is growing at an exponential rate.
How does shampoo work?
Well, as you can see, the surfactants in shampoo weaken the physical and chemical forces that bind impurities in the hair. Surfactants dissolve these impurities, preventing them from binding to the scalp and making the hair look greasy and bad. Residues are non-soluble fats, otherwise known as sebum, that do not dissolve in water. In order to be removed from the hair, surfactants need to be used. So basically, surfactants have a hydrophobic portion and another hydrophilic. The hydrophobic molecule chemically bonds with the fat, aka the residue. The hydrophilic portion binds with the water. The surfactants, in contrast to the water, becomes a micelle. Their structure becomes spherical with the hydrophilic exterior and a hydrophobic interior. This allows for the sebum to be washed away. Surfactants are highly basic ingredients. In order to keep this product stable or neutral, an acid must be used in the formula. Acids can include citric acid. And in order for it to be an acid, you must have hydrogen in it.
Why there is static electricity on my hair after shampoo?
The static electricity after the use of shampoo is a result of a balance out between the electric charges during the removal of sebum and residue. Negative charges of the hair fiber repels the also negative charges of the micelle. The repulsion of charges allows rinsing with water. However, the result is an increase of the pre-existing negativity of the strands, creating a repulsion between the strands.
How to fix dry flayaway hairs?
You can fix it by using sulfatless shampoo, which refers to shampoo without the anionic surfactant. Instead, they are derived from the sulfation of fatty acids. Cationic are added to some shampoo to reduce the static electricity. Since they carry a positive charge, cationic surfactants bond to the strands which are negatively charged due to the use of anionic surfactants. They can reduce the frizz effect.
In conditioner.
So the main ingredients are acetyl alcohol, which coats the hair and makes it easier to comb, and the citramonium bromide or citramonium chloride, which is an anti-static and improves the shine. Citramonium chloride and bromide carry a positive charge that attracts them to slightly negative charged hair proteins.
Should I be using clarifying shampoo?
Well, oh hi! This is one of the homeless people.
Hi!
Usually visits my hair clinic in order to borrow my shampoo. And then she had a lot of problems with her hair, so I recommended her to clarifying shampoos. So basically, there's chelating agents which are found in clarifying shampoos. So chelating agents are compounds that take in metal ions from the water to keep hair in shape. So basically, hard water means that minerals contents were still present in the water when you use it to shower. The minerals found in water, such as calcium and magnesium, are metals that can be removed due to chelating agents. So the purpose of these chelating shampoos is to remove product buildup, minerals found in hard water. So chelating agent can form several bonds to a single metal ion, and chelating agent can chemically bind with mineral in your hair, thus removing it. The most common chelating agent used in shampoo is EDTA.
Hair dye extremely harmful.
So hair dye needs to go through barriers of hair before transferring the color onto the hair. So hair dye needs to go through the hair shaft, and it needs to get through cuticles first, which is the hair's protein layer. So ammonia elevates the pH of the hair, therefore the cuticles relaxes and lifts up.
What is pH?
So the pH scale measures how acidic or basic a substance is. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. If the pH is 7, then it is neutral. If it is above 7, it means the pH is alkaline, in other words, basic. If it's below 7, the pH is acidic. This is where the problem starts, because the cuticle is not meant to be lifted up. Once you rinse, your cuticle comes down because the color has deposited, but the damage is already there.
That is very bad, right?
So hydrogen peroxide is used in order to bleach in hair, and then it is an oxidizing agent. As a reminder, an oxidizing agent gains electrons during the redox reaction, so it becomes negative. So the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. So 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms makes a molecule of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide used to bleach hair is diluted many times. This chemical enters the hair shaft and releases oxygen, causing the pigments to be broken down. Peroxide is very drying on the hair, which damages the hair even more.
After years of experience,
I learned that hair care is an extremely interesting field of study, and that we should take care of our hair and keep it away from damage. So I guess some other questions from my years of research and counseling is, what are some other types of ways in which we can cleanse our hair and perhaps take care of it, not in the chemical form, which is the usual form, but maybe in a physical form. I think that way, if we cleanse or take care of hair physically instead of chemically, I think we'll do much less damage to our hairs. The same goes for hair coloring. Perhaps we'll find a way to color our hair physically but permanently as well. Also, the sebum to be washed away. Surfactants are highly basic ingredients. Stop laughing, Michaela.